Everyday math online games are pretty awesome. You can actually play one-player or two-player games. So I can assign my students to go play a two-player game against a student if I choose. So one of the games that have a multiple levels is Top It. You can do multiplication, division. I know that adding and subtracting fractions with like denominators, unlike denominators is on here, multiplication. So you have options for these games. So if I wanted to play this game, with a partner, I could actually do a two-player game this way and pick the game that I want to choose. And then you actually can choose a guest, or the students can actually pick a student name that's in their class here. And they can play the game against that classmate. So it's kind of cool that way. The other thing that you can do is as soon as you click on the game, as you are going through the book, you will teach certain games to the students. I know we had to teach exponent ball. We had to teach a couple of high number toss, decimal dominations. We taught those in actual lessons, but sometimes you don't. Students have played multiplication Top It they played it in fourth grade. They played addition Top It in third grade. So this is something they've played for a while. It's just a different kind of numbers. So you don't necessarily teach it to them. So what happens is you can actually click on the game and you can walk through the start of the game. It'll give you all the directions. Not only is it all written here, but as soon as you hit start, there is somebody on there, a little voice that's going to tell the kids exactly how to play. They're going to walk them through the skills and how to do all of the steps needed. So this is pretty cool about the games. The other thing I wanted to show you with the games, let me go back to that games right here. It's the very bottom line right there. Everyday math games. You have skill builders. So these are the ones that are sometimes a lower level. They can be equivalent fractions, name that number. For the students that might struggle a little bit, they need a little more review, you can go here. And then your challenge, these are the ones that are a little trickier. Landmark Shark is tricky, spin and save, high number toss. Frac-tac-toe was kind of tricky for my kids as well. So these are some that are going to be a little bit more challenging for the students that might need a little more challenge.